Inanunsyo ng Department of Trade and Industry o DTI na ang Pilipinas ang magiging host ng 2025 Asia Business Leadership Summit na gaganapin sa October 15 to 17, 2025 sa SMX Convention Center, Pasay City. Ang prestiyosong summit ay inaasahang dadaluhan ng mahigit 2,000 delegado mula sa iba't ibang bansa sa Asia, kabilang ang mga kilalang CEO, negosyante, innovator at policymaker. Para sa karagdagang balita, mag-uulat, Angie.
Ayon kay DTI Secretary Alfredo Pascual, ito ay isang malaking karangalan sa Pilipinas na maging sentro ng talakayan para sa makabagong strategy sa negosyo at sa rehiyon. Inaasahan natin ang event na ito ay magbubukas ng mas maraming oportunidad para sa ating mga lokal na negosyo. Bukod sa mga plenary session at keynote speeches, magkakaroon din ng mga business matching sessions, startup, showcases at investment forums para sa mga nais magpalawak ng kanilang negosyo sa Asia. Ang Asia Business Leadership Summit ay isang taunang pagtitipon sa pangunahan ng Asia CEO Network at ito ang unang pagkakataon na gaganapin ito sa Pilipinas mula nang itatag ito noong 2010.
One of the most anticipated events at the summit is the auction, where various world leaders will showcase their most prized treasures.
Setcho, tono ka bini, nanigahay temas ka?
Watashi ka, Hoshino wa kabin, sono mo nonde, wa na ako, sono na kami nendasu.
所長、なぜこれ、持ち帰ったのですか？ただの花瓶なのに。
Sono kabino, nakanihakin to, Diamundo ga, ipahayte masu.
However, even before the Asian Leadership Summit 2025 could officially begin in the country, an unexpected incident occurred in his desire to obtain the porcelain vase from China worth billions. Mr. Hayashi of Japan allegedly ordered the abduction of Mrs. Tan, the wife of Mr. Tan who owns the said vase.
Sir, nandyan na po sila Mr. Hayashi.
Okay, sige. Kasi yung sila kaagad. Siguro din mong list na nasundan ng mga pulis.
Okay, sir.
Nice meeting you, Mr. Hayashi.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
However, thanks to the cooperation of Mr. Tan and other members of the leadership, including Mr. Miranda from the Philippines, Ms. Ramirez from Spain, and Ms. Brown from America.
Ano kinalaman mo kay Mr. Hayashi? Actually yan sir nakita ko siya sa event. Para siyang balisa eh. Tapos bigla siyang umalis sa venue namin. Then, tinry ko siya sundan. Kaibigan ko si Mr. Hayashi. Meron ka bang idea kung saan niya dinala si Mrs. Tan? Meron sir. May posible ko alam na lugar kung saan siya dinala. Pwede mo ba kami dalhin sa kanya? Walang problema sir. What do you know about Mr. Hayashi?
Solo se queda ese pulso furioso. Con nosotros cuando no ganó el jarón. No sé por qué.
All I know is he went late on us when he didn't win the race. I don't know why.
What do you know about Mr. Hayashi?
I don't know anything. But he's been acting weird since, even before the event starts.
Tell me the truth.
I don't know anything.
Just tell me.
I said I don't know anything about him. He's been acting weird since the event started.
God!
How many hours has it been? I gave you everything. Everything you asked. Where's my wife? Calm down. What more do you need?
Along with the thorough investigation led by the police officer Quinto, the situation was immediately acted upon and Mrs. Tan's life was saved. They also quickly recovered the porcelain vase from Mr. Hayashi, who was the root cause of all the chaos.
Mr. Miranda, Miss Yun is already here.
Okay, let her in.
Even before the official opening of the Asian Leadership Summit 2025 in the country, a new member of the leadership was introduced to replace Mr. Hayashi, Miss Ira Yoon from the South Korea.
안녕하세요, Jeon Yoshinida. I am very pleased to be part of this venture. The potential for growth is immense. 감사합니다.
Entonces los contratos están finalizados.
I'm looking forward to this synergy. Our combined resources will revolutionize the world.
Indeed, it's a much more legitimate era.
To the new beginning, and to a future built on trust and prosperity. Welcome and congratulations.